When it comes to powerful, reliable, and innovative farm machinery, CLAAS tractors stand out as one of the most trusted names in modern agriculture. From small farms to large-scale commercial operations, CLAAS tractors are known for their German engine, fuel efficiency, advanced technology, and long-lasting performance. In today's video, we will take a deep look at CLAAS tractors, their features, popular models, engine power, and why farmers around the world continue to choose CLAAS for their daily farming operations. If you're a farmer, tractor enthusiast, or planning to invest in a high-performance tractor, this video is for you. CLAAS is a German agricultural machinery manufacturer with decades of experience in producing world-class farm equipment. The brand is globally recognized for tractors, harvesters, combines, and forage machinery. CLAAS tractors are designed with precision engineering, focusing on operator comfort, durability, and productivity in the field. One of the biggest strengths of CLAAS tractors is their powerful and fuel-efficient engines. CLAAS tractors come equipped with high-torque diesel engines, advanced fuel management systems, low emissions with high performance. These engines deliver strong pulling power, making CLAAS tractors ideal for plowing, tilling, hauling, planting, and heavy farm operations. Whether you are working on soft soil or rough terrain, CLAAS tractors maintain consistent power and smooth performance. CLAAS offers a wide range of tractor models to suit different farming needs. Some popular CLAAS tractor series include CLAAS Arian Series, perfect for medium-scale farming with excellent power-to-weight balance. CLAAS Axion Series, designed for heavy-duty fieldwork and commercial agriculture. CLAAS Elias Series, compact tractors ideal for small farms, orchards, and livestock operations. CLAAS Arian Series, high horsepower tractors built for extreme workloads and maximum efficiency. Each series is engineered to deliver reliability, comfort, and long service life. CLAAS tractors are known for their comfortable cabins and smart technology with ergonomic operator cabins, air suspension seats, advanced control panels, digital displays for monitoring performance. These features reduce operator fatigue and allow farmers to work longer hours with better efficiency. CLAAS tractors are built using high-quality materials designed to withstand harsh farming conditions. They have strong chassis and transmission, long service intervals, easy access for maintenance, high resale value. This makes CLAAS tractors a cost-effective investment for farmers looking for long-term value. Farmers choose CLAAS tractors because they offer proven reliability, excellent fuel economy, advanced farming technology, strong dealer support, and high productivity in all conditions. Whether you are managing a small farm or a large agricultural operation, CLAAS tractors deliver the ultimate performance you can trust. CLAAS tractors combine power, innovation, comfort, and durability in one machine. They are designed to help farmers work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. Let us know in the comments which CLAAS tractor model you like the most. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more agricultural machinery content.